Hello everyone, I'm characer. In this video, I will show you how to create a customer character and a customer weapon in side-scroll game with UE4. Okay, first things we should do is create a new folder, which named example. Okay, create a new folder named character. Next, we should input our customer mesh. Our customer mesh uses in-picked skeleton. I will show it in Maya. Okay. Now you can see this customer mesh uses the in-picked skeleton and shading X-ring joints. Okay. This is an in-picked skeleton, and I rigid it on my customer mesh. Okay, let's input it into our project. Now we should select our skeleton to skm underscore character underscore skeleton. This is our initial character skeleton. We select this and make sure input materials and input texture is off. Okay, and set the input mesh is on. Click input. Now we can open the customer character mesh with the browser. You can see this mesh uses our initial skeleton. Okay, this is skeleton and this is mesh. Now save it, save all. The next things we should do is input the texture. Our texture is here, t underscore character underscore d png. Okay, input it and create a material for the mesh, which named m underscore example character. And drag the texture into material and set the base color. Okay, it's a very simple example. Just to show you how to create a customer character. And okay, save it and set the skeleton mesh material is on. Is here. Okay, used with skeleton mesh. Save it. Next, we should set the materials of our customer character. Okay, this is a very beautiful girl. Yeah. Okay, now we should set our characters mesh into character blueprint. Next, open the side-scroll game folder and open the blueprint, open character, and open BP underscore side-scroller character. This is our player's character blueprint. Okay. Next things we should do is select the mesh component, select it, and with the new customer character, select encounter browser. Okay, select the new customer character encounter browser and back to the characters blueprint and click the arrow with using select assets from content browser. Okay, and replace the customer character. Okay, save and compile. And the light, this light we should set it visible. Okay, visible now. it's okay. Okay, this is our customer character. Save and save all. It's very simple. It's very simple. We can play it in editor window and drag the audio down. Play. Oh, it's too dark. Now we have the customer.
Mission start.
Okay, we have the customer character. Okay, next we create a new customer weapon for you in this video. And the first things we should do is input the customer weapons box. Okay, this is only a texture. This is only a texture to sign which weapon it is. Okay, first we should create a new folder in example folder named weapon. Next, input the weapon texture. This texture is t underscore example t GSI JPG. Okay, drag it and import it. Okay, save all. Next things we should do is create a blueprint, a trial blueprint for the weapon master. We open the set scroll game blueprint and weapon character. Here is the BP underscore weapon project master. This is a master blueprint for all the weapons in the set scroll game. You can see BP child get gun heavy gun, BP child get gun laser, BP get gun rocket, and BP get gun shotgun. Heavy gun, laser, rocket, shotgun is the initial weapons in this game for you. And now we just do is create a new weapon. So first we select the BP weapon project master, right click and create a child blueprint class, and which named BP child. Okay, get gun example weapon. Okay, next we move it into example folder. Okay, move here and open it. Okay, now next things we should do is create materials for this weapon. These materials also have a material master. Okay, let's open the material, and here is the material instance for all the weapons. We can right click and copy reference, or select it with Ctrl and W to duplicate a new one. We can name it material instance underscore get gun underscore example weapon. Okay, and next we move it in example folder 2. Move here and open it. Now drag our texture into this material instance, and we can set the color for it. Okay, the color, base color, let's give a new color. Okay, give a blue color. Okay, base color is mid blue. Deep color, let's give a deep blue. And the shock color, this is a high color for this weapon. We can give a very high blue for it. Okay, save and open the real time. You can see this is a a dynamic material with weapon. Very beautiful. OK， 好 ，next we select this material in content browser and open the BP child get gun example weapon and give this material to the stick mesh plane. OK, give this material for it. Save and compile. Next things we should do is set the variables in this weapon blueprint. The variables we have in the details panel. Okay, first is ammo count. The ammo count is when players get this gun, how many ammos will player have? Okay, let's set it 100 ammo. Okay, is rifle autumn. This options is set the weapon is rifle auto rifle weapon. Okay, that means if we set is rifle autumn variables true, when players get this gun is a automatic weapon. Or we turn it off. The weapon is not a automatic weapon. Okay, it's rifle auto on or off. Next, the gun blood class. This is a class reference for this weapon. When players shoot this gun, and the blood will spawn in front of players gun. Okay, in front of players, and the blood will fly and shoot the enemy. Okay, sorry for my poor English. This is a class reference for the players which shoot out of the gun. Now in this example video, we should create a blueprint for this gun blood class. Okay, and the weapons master we also create in the content browser. We should open set scroll game and open weapon character. Okay, here is BP weapon fire master. Okay, this is the gun blood blueprint class in this project. We should do is right click and create a child blueprint class 2 and named it BP child. Okay, example weapon gunblood. Now we moved it into our weapon float. Okay, and open it. The things we should do is first is add a movement component to fly our gunblood project movement. Okay, we should set the projectile gravity to 0 and set the initial speed and the max speed to let me think about it, 500, and this means our gunblood fly speed is 500. Save and compile. Okay, next things we should do is give a mesh or particles for this gunblood. With initial weapons, we should see we have okay, child rocket. You can see the rocket have a rocket mesh. Okay, also the rocket mesh is invisible. And the laser, you can see, have a laser beam particle. And the shotgun, heavy gun or shotgun also have its particle effects. Okay, particle effects. Now with the example weapons, we can create a cube or a sphere for it. Okay, let's give a cube. It's just a example video, so we can do it very simple. Okay, we should set the scale to 0.5. Okay, and next set the correction to no correction. Okay, save and compile. Next things we should do is go to event graph and go to event graph and create a new graph. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Next things we should do is give a box collection for it. Box collection for it. Okay. And with the box collection, we go to the collection presence and set it to customer. And with the object type, we set the weapon project. Okay, character weapon. This is a weapon for our customer character, and we set the object type is character weapon, and set all the collection presence is ignore without enemy, because this is a weapon for our player's character, and we use this gun blood to hit our enemy. So enemy is overlap and the others is ignore. Save and compile. And go to the events. We should click on component begin overlap and back to event graph. When the box collection is overlap, and we cast to BP ammo. Okay, BP ammo, or sorry, not BP ammo. Okay, just apply damage. We have 3 enemies, so we just apply damage. Okay, here is the base damage for our customer weapon. We can set 2. Okay, 2. Save and compile. With the apply damage, and we destroy itself. Destroy actor. Okay, destroy itself. Save and compile. And we must give a lifespan for this blueprint, because if we not hit anyone, okay, not hit our enemy, the blood will fly into our game map, and we should give our initial lifespan, which gives 10 seconds. Okay, with 10 seconds after, this blueprint will destroy itself. Save and compile. Okay, now next things we should do is with the BP child example weapon gun blood, and select it in count browser and back to BP child get gun example, and input it into gun blood class. Okay, now we have our gun blood class. Next, get gun sound. Oh, I have no new get gun sound. This get gun sound is when the players get a new gun in the game or in on battlefield. The UI video or UI sound will play, and to tell our players you get a new gun. So we can use the initial sound for it. Okay, get gun sound, get gun shotgun, or get gun heavy gun. We can get a get gun rocket.
Rocket launcher.
Okay, select it and set it into get gun sound variables. Get gun color. Our new gun is blue, so we should set it blue. 001. Okay, attack time. This is our new gun attack time. The initial time is 0.15. We can set it 0.1. Okay, Save and compile. Now we have a customer gun for the character. We can find it in Content Browser and open our map. Okay, open our map and put it on the map. Okay, let's test the new weapon. And the map is too dark. We should create a direction light for it. Directional light. Okay. Turn the directional light. Okay, save all. Let's play it in editor window. Play. Now let's get the new gun and press the H key to fire it. Oh, a cube to hit our enemy. Oh no. Restart game. Okay, quit game. You can see, play it again and get a new gun. The ammo count is 100. Okay, 100.
Mission start.
Oh, I have a mistake. Quite game. You can see our death body is also a initial mesh. We should set our death body. Okay. Let's back to BP side scroller character, and with the component window, here is a death body. Okay, death body. We should also set our death body with the character select and put it into our BP side scroller character. Save and compile. Okay, let's test it again.
Mission start.
Now we have our customer character mesh and our customer weapon. This is the video show you how to create a customer character and customer weapon in side-scroller game with UE4. Thanks for watching and hope you will like it. Okay, goodbye.